Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to calculate Shannon Diversity Index. Okay, suppose you went in a park and you saw 21 individual of vultures, 6 individuals of parrots, 1 individual of peacock, 26 individual of crows and 9 individuals of dove. So how do we calculate Shannon Diversity Index with this data? I have put all the data in a table format. Like there are crow 26, peacock 1, dove 9, vulture 21, parrot 6. This is types of birds. So how many species of birds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our S means species is 5. It is also called species richness. Now we need to calculate total individual. 26 plus 1 plus 9 plus 21 plus 6 equal to 63. So keep in mind one thing, all these individual species number is known as small n. Okay, and when we add all this number, it is capital N, and that is capital N equal to 63. Next step is we need to divide small n by capital N. That means for crow it is 26 by 63. For peacock it is 1 by 63 and so on. So this is the next step. And the third step is like the value we will get after divided small n by capital N, that is 0.413. It is known as PI. So we need to do this process for each bird species. Okay, then we will get this data. The next step is we need to log PI value. Okay, so how we are going to do that? In our scientific calculator we have an option of log. Okay, and suppose at this moment you don't have your scientific calculator, so you can use your mobile to practice, but in the exam center you were not allowed to use phone. Okay, so mind it. So put the ln option from your calculator and then put this value, you will get this data. That is one more step. And the next step is we need to multiply this pi into ln pi. So this value equal into this value. Okay, then we will get this value. So pi into ln pi, we will get this value, and again we need to repeat this process for each bird species. And the last step is we need to add all these value like 0.365 plus minus 0.365 minus 0.065. We need to 1 2 3 4 5 add all this value and we will get this value. And what is this value? This value is summation of pi into ln pi, that is minus 1.299. Now Shannon diversity formula is minus this sign known as sum of pi ln pi. So we have already calculated this value, sum of pi ln pi, that is minus 1.299. Next step is this sign minus and inside the bracket this summation of pi ln pi value, and we will get the Shannon diversity index, that is 1.299. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. From this problem we can calculate two more things. Initially I told you there are 5 species of birds. Okay, that means in biodiversity or diversity it is known as species richness, total number of bird species or total number of species known as species richness. So in our case it is 5, and if we want to calculate species abundance, that is 63 total individuals. Okay, and we already calculated our Shannon diversity index, that is 1.299. Now it is your turn. Here is one problem. You need to calculate Shannon Diversity Index, species richness as well as species abundance. Please solve this problem and comment below. And if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask in the comment section. I will definitely give your answer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do like and subscribe my channel. It will be very grateful, and see you in the next video.